talk about Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime 2018. Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime 2018 has been spotted at Federal Communications Commission, where it received approval. This means it has got the necessary approval, and the phone is one step closer to the launch. The FCC documents reveal a couple of details about the Galaxy J5 Prime 2018. Galaxy J5 Prime will be a dual SIM device with the model number SMJF71/DS. The listing also sheds light on the phone's connectivity features such as 4G LTE, Bluetooth 4.2 LE, Wi-Fi, GPS, and a non-removable battery inside. The FCC listing doesn't mention the device's specifications. The device is listed as SMJ571 and noticed in benchmarks earlier this month. Some specifications of the phone were revealed as well, which lead to believe that the Galaxy J5 Prime will be a budget device. The tested model runs a 4.8-inch display with a resolution of 1280 by 720p, Exynos 7570 quad-core processor, 3GB RAM, and 32GB storage. The phone runs on Android 7.1 Nougat out of the box and will feature a 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front camera. We can expect Samsung to launch the Galaxy J5 Prime at the annual Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas early next year. That's all for now. We will keep you informed about all new upcoming gadgets. Subscribe, like, share for more videos. Thanks for watching.